13 minus 4 times 6 minus 9. 13 minus 4 will give us 9. Then we have 9 times 6 minus 9. 9 times 6 will give us 54. Then we have 54 minus 9. 54 minus 9 will give us 45. 45 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve our multiplication because it comes first before subtraction. 4 times 6 will give us 24. And we'll put down our 24 here. Break down our 13 minus 24 minus 9. Now, we are going to solve from our left to our right, which is we are going to solve 13 minus 24 first. 13 minus 24 will give us a negative 11. Then we have negative 11 minus 9. Negative 11 minus 9 will give us negative 20. Negative 20 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.